Yeah. Okay. Please mute yourself. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we know that, right? Number of being equal to what? Number of method, right? So now what we will do now? Ad dot set what? Home number just 101. I'm no two 5000. Just I'm writing that anything. Ad dot what? Set what? Location is just I'm writing what? Mysore. Location is what? Mysore. Okay na. So after then what we will do now? We will return the same object 80, right? We will return back the, but how our IOC container will treat this one is what? Bean method, right? So for that we will apply what? Bean annotation. So for that what we will do now? We will perform what? Bean annotation, right? So again one more bean is there. Which one? Employee bean is there. So if we want to configure our bean employee bean, so what? Again we will write one more method, right? Public employee emp, right? Public employee emp. Now what we will do now? Employee, we will create the object emp equal to what? New employee, right? New employee. Inside that what? Emp dot what? Set emp dot what? Set emp id, right? Emp id is 101, right? After then what? Emp dot set, right? Set emp name, right? Emp name is what? Just Ravikant. Just I'm writing what? Ravi. After then what is that? Emp dot what? Set emp dot what? Set. Sorry, yeah, I'm not going to set what? Address here, right? I'm not going to set what? Address here. So what we will do now? Come to employee class, right? Come to employee class. So 1 minute, again I'm deleting this one from here to here. Again I'm generating what? Setter getter method. Now alt shift s plus what? R. I'm not selecting select all, just I'm deselecting address, right? Because I will use for that only add auto wire, right? So now all those things I means I emp id emp name, I'm setting the data from here, right? But I'm not going to set this address inside that, right? So because of that I'm not taking what? Any setter and getter method inside what? Emp. I will just write auto wire, but our IOC container will inject that object here. There is no need what to perform what? Setter and getter method for this variable, right? This data type. So now okay, so again what I will generate again what? To string also. Alt shift s plus s. Okay, now so okay, come here. Okay now, so what we are doing that all we, inside that employee what is that? Three attributes is there, three data type is there. See, three. But what we are doing that in employee bean, right? Just I'm injecting two only, right? Two only. Which one? Emp id and employee name. But I'm not injecting what? Address this data. Why? I will tell. Okay now, why I will tell. So now by default then what we will do now? Return what? Emp, right? Just I'm returning this employee. So if we want to make this method as a what? Bean method. So what we will do now? We will apply at the rate bean annotation, right? If we apply this bean annotation, then this method will be have what? Bean configuration, right? So now all permutation and combination whatever we have need in the application configuration we wrote, right? So shall we test it? So now okay, I will show that. First I will show that what is the by default it will show our show what? By default it will show the conversation is happening behind that. Okay, so come to diagram, right? By default null data. First I will show the null data, then I will show that what is the use of auto wiring, right? So now okay, let's write one test class, right? Let's write one test class and see that. First we will see that, right? Com dot rk dot what? Test, right? Com dot rk dot test. Just testing the, I'm testing the application. Now finish it. Okay, so now if we want, right? If we want to work what? How to activate our IOC container? How to activate our IOC container application context annotation is there, right? Inside that AC dot what is that? We will take new what? Application context annotation context, right? Inside that, what we will do now, we will pass this class, right? Our configuration class, we will pass it app config dot class, right? So now, okay, we got it. Okay, after getting that, what we will do now ac dot what get bean, right? We will take what get bean. Inside that, we will pass the id. We will go inside that what configuration, and we have need to perform in the employee object, right? So in employee object, this one is the this method name will become what id. So what we will do now, just we will copy it and we will paste inside here, right? After then, second, next what we will do now, employee, we will, to avoid type casting, we will load that employee class as a what dynamically. So after then, it will return what we know that if we don't know how to create what bean object, we will go the bean factory, and this method is what bean factory method, right? So now, okay, employee e just I created, right? So shall we see that what is the, we will get what result we will get, we will get what is that, employee name, employee id 101, after then employee name Ravi, and we will get what null. Here we will get null, right? Why? Because we are not injected the data. Let's run it and see the result. Yeah, see here, employee ID 101, employee name Ravi, and address null we are getting or not. So it's meaning that key still our data is not injected, means what our address is not injected in here, what in the employee object. So if we want to inject that employee object, what annotation, @AutoWire. See how now, after performing what employee, this auto word employee object, right? Just to applying this what auto wire annotation, let's see the result now. Run this application. See, employee id 101, employee name Ravi, and address is what HNO and Mysore. Now you people got the point or not? Why we are using what at the rate in auto add annotation? See boss, how I made the too much simplify the at the rate auto wire things. Okay na? So still so many concept is there, we will experiment on that, but you people is got easily or not what is the use of auto wiring. Now if anybody having till now doubt, please unmute yourself, let's talk. Okay now, I will clarify those doubt now. Bharat, any doubt?
No, no, Ravi.
Now clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, money, some money is there, right? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Now clear, right?
Clear, clear, clear.
Any doubt is there, friend, please ask. Okay na, I will explain, because based on this auto wire, two more annotation is there, which is if you sit in the interview frequently, that question is people is asking. Okay na, Ayodele, what about you?
Dots.
Clear,
No
right?
dots. Very clear. Yes, sir.
Clear now. Okay. Manjulata, please unmute yourself.
Yes, clear, sir.
Fine, right?
Yes, fine, I understand.
Okay. Pankaj, what about you?
Clear, Ravi.
Okay. Prasuna.
Yeah, no doubt, Ravi.
Okay, now clear, right? Clear the things, whatever I explained, right? Okay. Prabhakar. What about you, Prabhakar? You got the point. I still some doubt is there.
Yeah, good. I got clarity.
Okay. Smita, what about you? Smita, I think network issue is there inside your. I think your side network issue is there, right? Okay, thank you, friends. Actually, because okay, let's see that, right? Let's see that next things, right? Let's see that next things. Chat box clear, clear. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Yeah, okay. So okay, so now okay, but you know, at the rate auto wire by default, this one is what? By default, what? This is by default what? uh, True only, right? If you want to see that it's implementation, now just take the mouse cursor over the auto wire. Now click, press the control button and now click inside that, right? After clicking that, see that what is that in this method, right? Auto wire method. This is what annotation is there inside that. Required equal to default true is there, right? To true means, you know, true means if in at the runtime, right? If the at the runtime, if the address class is not there, right? If address class is not there, so just what I'm doing that, just I'm copying this address class here, right? I'm copying this address class and just I'm pasting this address class on my desktop. Paste it. I will tell why I'm doing this one. Okay, na? After pasting that, what I'm doing that, just I'm deleting this one, right? I'm deleting this address class, right? I deleted this address class. After deleting that, come to configuration, right? Come here in the configuration, right? If in the yeah, come to configuration class, and what we will do, we will remove what? Configuration, right? So now see that if that class is not there, right? That class is not there. If class is not there and we are declared that what? We declared what? uh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, okay, okay. So until unless if class is there, class maybe class is there, but because if class is not there, we will get what? Error directly. So do one thing, come here and paste this one inside this one. Okay, because of that we get. But what we are doing that, we are not configuring, that class, what? That address class inside bean. If we not configure, our IOC container will not create that object, right? If not create that object, then it's meaning that object is useless object. So now let's run this. What is that? And see the what is the problem. We will get error. See, we are getting the error. If means if object is not instantiating, right? So what we are getting, that auto wired annotation being post processor. See that what clearly it's saying that means available, expected at least one bean which qualified at auto wire. See, auto wire, right? Auto wire, but no unique bean of arc.address available, right? Available means if we not configure, means this one is not available, means auto wire required is true. So to avoid this, if address class is not there, na, if address class is not there, so what we will do now, by default this one is what? Required equal to true only, right? True only. Because of that, what is that? We are getting this much exceptions, right? So if we no, we don't want this one. We just want, if object is not there, we want to get the result what? We want to get the result what? Null only. So what is that? We will use what? False. False, right? If we use what? False, then let's run this application. We will get null. See, and the address we are getting null or not? We are in the address place, other data we are getting that 101 Ravi, but in the address, what is that? Address is at the runtime, our IOC container is not able to find what? Address class. Because of that, it's injecting what? By default null. Okay, na? So at the development time, what is that? Whenever we are using auto wire, its attribute, one attribute is there false. You have to make that one as a what? False. Then exception you will not get. You will get other dependency result as well as what? at that particular dependency as what. If not found, then you will get what result as a null. Then you can analyze it. Yeah, this dependency is not working properly. Then you will able to analyze why this dependency is not working. Then you will start to check what configuration. So whenever you will start to check configuration, oh, then you will come to one conclusion. Oh, I forget it. I forget it what to write what uh, to write what configuration, right? This configuration for that address configuration, right? So then you will again write what public address ad equal to, sorry, ad. Now this one address ad equal to new address, right? Inside that, what we will do now, ad dot set, right? Ad dot set home number 1202. Just I'm taking what 2020. After then, what is that? Ad dot what set location. So location is what? Mysore, right? So now again, what we will do now, we will return ad, this object only. After then, if we want to make this method as a what bean, then what is that? We will apply bean annotation. Now again run it and we will get the total result. See, we started to getting what? HNO 202 location Mysore or not. So like that we are using what? Add auto RN notation. But still I'm going to explain what two more annotation, right? Two more annotation. What is that? Qualifier and a primary, right? These interviewer, whenever you will sit in the interviewer, auto wire, and why we are using what? Required equal to false, and why we are using what at the rate qualifier, and why we are using what at the rate primary. And these things I will explain, I will touch in what Spring Boot also, right? So take serious, guys. These things is really whatever things I'm explaining here, right? Those things is not, I'm not delivering you people crop, right? I'm really, see, these things you people will get because everybody is teaching, right? But really what things is need to work in IT industry, right? Those things I'm explaining to you people. In the less time I'm giving, I can say, in the less time I'm delivering the good things to you people. Okay, so now, okay, so let's design one project, right? So let's design one project, and we will see that what is the problem, and what is that. First we will see that the problem, right? And after then we will implement that one, right? So first we will, let's see that what is the, after then I will show you people what where we will apply at the rate primary, and where we will apply what at the rate primary and qualifier, right? So first let's design one UML diagram. Based on the UML diagram we will see that, right? So for example, we have what, the same employee object only, right? So the same employee object, right? So we know that. So in employee, it's not meaning that one is what, one is you people having what physical address, right? Means where you people are staying, right? But another one more permanent address is there, means your home address. So like that, okay now. So in this case, what we will do now, I explain loose couple application initial day, right? Initial strategy design pattern I given. Whoever new, right? Those people can watch one more time. First day, first or second day only, right? So I'm going to design that kind of application today, okay? And this is a totally, I'm touching what real things here, okay? So now, okay, so if it means Poji programming model, I'm going to explain, right? So like what is that? Development will start first has a relation side, right? So what is that? We have one interface, right? We have, what is that? One interface. This interface package name is what? This interface package name is what? com.rk dot, right? Com.rk dot address, just com.rk dot what address, right? This is the package name, right? This is the package name, and we will decide this package, this interface class name is what? This interface class name is what? This interface class name is what? Plus symbol. I'm taking what? Public class. This interface is what? Public plus symbol. I'm taking I address, right? I address, right? Address. So now, okay, it's having two, right? Two address, right? Its implementation class is having two address. First one is what? First one is what? Address means physical address. Second one is what? Permanent address. We will take two implementation classes, right? We will take what? Two implementation classes. So for that, what we will do now? Again, we will take one more package name here. Okay, so this package name is what? Just I'm taking what? Com dot what? rk dot add dot impl, right? Impl. I'm taking this package name is what? This is the package name, right? So same like what is that? I'm taking this package, this class this implementation class also. I'm going to take what? I'm going to take what? Same package name, right? Same package name. Now what is that? Com dot what is that? rk dot what? Address dot impl, right? This is so now. So we will stable between these two classes. What is that? Easy relation. Somebody getting the doubt, right? I will show you. See here how I'm going to stable easy relation. In the easy relation and hazard relation. In hazard relation, I'm applying what? I'm going to apply what? At the rate auto wire, but in the easy relation we will use simply what? Extend keyword and implement keyword. I'm going to give what? That analyzation here also in this application. Please listen be carefully, okay? So now, okay, here what is that? This is what? Easy relation means this is what we are designing the project. How our architect people is it? This is what architect people is giving us what? Design, and we are starting the project development, right? So now, okay, then second one is what? Again, this is what? This is another one is what? This is what? Another. Inside that, what we are doing that? Inside that, we are doing that? Again, here also we are establishing the what? Is a relation. Is a relation. Okay, now is a relation we created now. Okay, now so okay, come here. So now this is what? Our employee class. This is what? Our employee class is there, right? Inside that employee class of this employee class package name we decided to take what? This employee class package name we decided to take what we will take it? Com dot what is that? rk dot emp, right? Emp, this is the uh, what is that? And this package, this is the another package. Okay, now by seeing this one we will develop it and you people will get the clarity. Don't worry about that. Little bit take the patience and listen things. Okay, so now, so okay, so what is that? Here what we will do now? We will take inside that what? We will take inside that this one is what? Our physical address by what? UML diagram, right? For that we are taking what? Plus means you know that public, right? So what is that? Physical, physical address, right? Physical address, right? Physical address having what? Two no, just I'm taking what? Minus after then what? Hno. Now which kind of hno? What is that? Hno, what is that? Int data type, right? Now again, what is that? Private, what is that? Location, loc. Location I'm taking what? String, right? So now same things here also. Same things. What will happen? Copy in this one also. I'm taking the same thing only, right? So same thing only, but the class name is different in this package, right? In this package, what is that? Class name is what? Different. Class name is what? Different, right? Yeah, class name is what? Different. Okay, So now what we will take, plus symbol, right? Just plus symbol. After then what is that? Permanent address. Permanent address, right? Permanent address. So we will take this. This is what? This is the one package. But what we are going to do now, again here, what is that? In that employee class, what is the package name? What is the class name, right? We will decide it, the class name here only. So we will decide the class name. Now class name is what? Public. What is employee? The class name is what? Employee. But it's having how many data type? Now okay, private. What is that? emp id, right? emp id, this one is what? Int data type. Second one is what? Minus emp name. Emp name is there, right? Emp name. Another one is what? String data type, right? So now, so we are going to now, in this time, what we will do now, we will take this interface reference, right? This interface reference. So what we will take address now, addr colon, right? address address. Okay, now we taken, right? We taken here. Okay, so like this. Okay na? So like this. After then what we will do now, we will perform what? Setter getter method, right? After then what is that? Set get method, right? Here what is that? Set get method. Set get method, same like here also, right? Same like here also. Here also what is that? Set get method. Here also what is that? Set get method. Okay, so now, but what we will do now, here we taken what? Reference type. So in between this class, right? In between this interface and this class, what is the relation is there? Has a relation is there, right? So between these two classes, what is that? Has a relation is there. Has a relation is there, right? Here I will show that, right? Here. Okay, here what is that? Has a relation. Has a relation is there. By seeing that, right? This is what our UML diagram, right? Based on that, what we will do now, we will going to start what? Our development, right? So our development, and why I designed to show one problem, right? Because of that, until unless if I'm not able to show that problem, right, you people will not get what? You will not get, people will get clear picture to to image the things, what is the real problem, right? So now in this situation, right, unified modeling language. Okay, so now, okay na, is a relation, right? Is a relation means here what is that? Is a relation we are establishing, right? But here what is that? Has a relation. We are going to use what? Both combination of this project. So we already in the previous session, means previous project, what we did now, we already took, right, address. So just what I'm doing, that I'm going to create those things in the same only. I'm not going to create one more project, right? So now let's delete all those things. All those things I will develop front of you people only, but I'm not going to put the dependency again here, right? I deleted each and everything, right? So now what we will do now, let's right click on that. What is that? What is that? Now first we will take the interface, right? Guys, 10 minutes again, reconnect yourself. Until unless we not complete this project, right, don't go anywhere, right? This project is really too much important because of that, right? So now new what is that? We will take interface, right? So interface, what is that? Com dot, what is the package name we taken? What is the com.rk.add, right? So now com dot add dot rk, right? So now no sorry com dot rk dot what? Add, right? So now what is that? Interface represent what? IADDRES, right? Address. Now finish it. one interface we created now. Okay, so another one is its implementation classes is two implementation classes is there, right? So what we will do now, so now again we will create one more package, new now class, right? Now class, what is that? Dot impl, dot impl, right? So what is that? Now ADDRE, permanent address, right? First one is physical address, physical address, physical address impl, we will write the physical address impl, the class name. Okay, sorry for that, here I did not mention, here this one also it will impl only, and here also impl. Implementation impl means implementation class. In the real time we are writing like this only. Okay, come to here, right? So now what is that? Inside that how many data type is there? HNO and location, right? So now what we will do now, private int, what is that? HNO, right? Second one is what? Private string, right? String, what is that? String location, loc, right? So now again what we will do now, generate control shift s plus what? R, right? Select all. Now this one. Okay, now control shift s plus s, two string, generating two string. Okay, this class is ready now. Okay, now one more class we have need to write it, right? One more class we have need to write. What is that? Inside that only, right? So second class is what? Second class is, come to UML diagram, permanent address, right? Permanent address. So PERMAN, permanent address, right? So now okay, so now permanent address, inside that what we will do now? Now private int what is that? HNO means home number. Again private string, what is that? String location, loc, right? Two data type, control shift s plus r, alt shift s plus r. Now select all, generate setter getter, alt shift s plus s, now generate what? Two string. So this class also ready. So next class is what we have need to develop it. Why this address? Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, so one more. So again we are going to develop what? Com dot employee class, right? So what we will do now, right click on that, what is that? New, right? New class. Okay, so now what is that? Com dot rk dot emp package name, right? Class name is what? Employee. Now finish it. Okay, after finishing that, what is the data? Int employee id, employee name and address is there, right? So let's write it. So now what is that? Again we will take what? Private, what is that? Private int, right? Int emp id, second one is what? Private string emp name, right? Again what is that? Private address, ADDRE, sorry, I address is there. We are going to take what? Interface, right? I address ADDR, right? ADDR, right? ADDR. So now okay, so what I'm going to do now, I will generate alt shift s plus r, right? Means setter getter method. So but I'm not going to generate for the address class setter getter method, just I'm deselecting here, right? So now okay, in the previous project how we did, so we generated setter getter method, right? Getter setter, okay, setter getter method for these two variables, right? But I'm not declare for this one. Okay, so now let's take alt shift s plus s2 string also I'm overriding here. Okay, so now this bean also ready now. Okay na? So we know that number of bean equal to number of configurations. So shall we configure it now? Okay, so now let's write it now. Com dot configuration, com dot rk dot config, right? Now application configuration, config, right? So now we taken what one class we taken what here one class. Now inside that, if we want to make this class as what configuration class, what we'll do now? Config annotation, right? Configuration annotation. After then, what is that? Number of bean equal to number of what? Number of method. Now public what? First one we will take permanent address, right? pm equal to pm. Now permanent address, right? pm equal to new permanent address. We are creating the object, and now we are setting that what pm dot what is that? I will show the problem, guys. Because of that I'm explaining. Please listen, be careful, right? Something is there behind. Because of that, what is that? Now 101, right? I'm taking what? 101. Now again what I'm doing, that pm dot what is that? Set, right? pm dot set location. Just I'm taking what? Permanent my is Varanasi, right? So now we will return back what? Return what? pm. Just I'm returning this what method. Now if we want to make this method as what? Bean method. So what we will do now? @bean annotation we will use it. Okay, after using what? @bean annotation, again one more is there, one more class is there. What? Physical address, right? Physical address. So what is that? Public what? What is that? Public physical address, right? ph just I'm taking, right? So now okay, physical address I'm taking. Okay, so now what is that? Physical address ps equal to new what is that? Physical address, right? So after then what is that? We will set the data ps dot set, right? ps dot set what is that? 200. I'm setting that what? The home number. After then what is that? p dot set, right? Location just I'm taking my current location is Mysore. Okay, now Mysore. Okay, now return that. Return this what? Return this one what? ps, right? ps. After then if we want to make this method as what? Bean, then what is that? Bean annotation we will apply it. After then one more class is there. Which one? Employee class. So again we have need to configure that employee class also or not. So now okay, what is that? What we will do now? Let's public employee, right? Public employee emp. Now okay, so again what we will do now? We will create one employee object here. emp equal to what is that? New employee, right? New employee. After then what we will do now? We will set that emp dot what is that? Set what is the emp id, right? 500. After then what is that? emp dot set name. Just set name. I'm setting the name, right? Now I'm setting the name, right? emp name just Ravi. Now okay, this one also is ready now. Okay, so now we will return that. Return what? emp object. After then we make, if we want to make this method also as a bean tag, what is that? @bean annotation. We will apply that bean annotation also, right? After applying means our configuration is ready now. Okay, so in the previous session what we did now, it's see here what is that? Two means one interface is there, it's having two implementation classes, and what we are doing that we are associating that interface inside what? Employee class, right? So employee class we are associating this interface, right? This interface we are not taking. In the previous application we taken directly one class, right? One class, but here what we are doing that we are taking its implementation class here, right? So now okay, so what we will do now? Come here. So